Welcome. In front of me is a CUBOT Note 9, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to pull down your notifications and extend the list where you will find Do Not Disturb toggle. Now for me it's right here in the corner, so once you find yours you can simply hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings. Now you can do this just once, just so you can see what the device has it set to by default. So here you could customize who can call you, message you. By default it looks like we have calls from steered contacts, so those are favorite, and you don't have any contacts added here. So obviously no one will be able to reach you when the mode is enabled. And you can change it to a couple additional options. Same goes for messages, same options. We have some kind of apps, so you can add which apps will be able to bypass this, alarm other interruptions, along with probably one of the more important options, which is the schedule on the bottom. So by clicking on it, you will see that you have a couple pre-made ones. You can activate them by just checking the box right here, and you can customize them, there we go, them by just pressing on the gear icon, and in here you will find all the options for it. So set it up, and if you're planning to use the schedule, just make sure it is enabled right here, and that's all you would need to do. For everybody else who plans to utilize Do Not Disturb mode manually at just random moments, whenever you want to use it, just pull down your notifications, and this time around press on the button. This will enable it, and there you go. Do Not Disturb mode is right now running. And once you're done with it, you will probably want to remember to turn it off, otherwise the mode will be enabled permanently until you turn it off. So just press on it once more, and this will turn it off. So anyway, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.